Hi guys, Wendy here. In this video we're going to draw and color a sunflower. So let's get started. To draw this sunflower, we're going to first start by drawing the center of the sunflower. So I'm basically going to be drawing a circle, but it's just going to be a little bit wobbly. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to basically just wobble my lines as I go around. And have fun with this. Don't even worry about it being perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. So I'm just kind of wobbling it a little bit just to give it a little bit more texture. And then I'm going to come inside once again and just draw another wobbly circle. So there, we got our center in. Now to draw all the petals that comes with the sunflower. So basically your goal is just to surround this circle here with these petals that come to a point. So I'm going to start right here in the center and I'm just going to draw one petal. Comes up. It's kind of like a little sharp point and then just bring it back down. And so we're just going to surround this with all these petals, just look like that. So just kind of sharp. If you're not comfortable giving it a little curve, you can just make it solid like this, just a straight curve like that. So we're just going to go all the way around. So everything radiates in this direction from the center. So all your petals are going to radiate. And you want to try to keep it in this kind of the same width all around. But it doesn't matter at all. Even if you stray a little bit, it doesn't matter. Because you're going to just fill everything with a bunch of petals. So we're just going to go all the way around. So turn the paper if you need to. So I'm just going all the way. So hopefully this drawing will inspire you to draw your sunflower and something that's very relaxing to do for you. Okay, so now we have the first layer in. We're going to come in between every petal, these two petals that we drew, and then we're just going to go in and add another layer. So just do that all the way around. So we build up the sunflower and make it nice and full. And just notice we're following the same direction. Okay, so basically have it in. So here and there, if you feel that maybe your sunflower is a little bit lopsided, you want a little bit more fuller, say maybe about right here, I'm just going to go in and add another petal. So here and there, wherever I think it's maybe not full enough, you can just add some petals here and there. And it's not going to show, but it's just going to add to the overall effect of being a nice full sunflower. So it doesn't matter. Let's see here. Let's not get carried away. Okay, maybe one more right here. Okay, so that's basically our sunflower, and then now to draw our stem. So right in the center, I'm just going to come right in the center and draw and drag a straight line down. And another one. So nice solid stem here that sunflowers have, depending on the kind of sunflower. Okay, so there, and then we have our solid stem in. Now to draw the leaves. So for the leaves, I'm going to draw two basic leaves. I'm just going to come up, let's say this one first. I'm just going to bring in the curve and bring it down and out. So I'm just drawing a curve, very basic curve that comes up and then down. And then from there in this area right here, I'm just going to draw as if kind of like drawing a heart. And this one's going to go up and connect back. Just give our leaf here a stem. So same thing on this side. I'm going to go a little bit lower and do the same thing. So I'm just going to go up. And then once again, about right here, connect it and connect it. So that's basically it for sunflower. Now I'm just going to come back in here with some details. In the center of each of the front petals, I'm just going to flick out a little line just to give our individual petals some details. And then from there we can, if you want, you can draw some here too on the back ones where you can see a little bit. Just gives our flower a little bit more texture. Okay, so now that's pretty much done. Now to color it. So there, finally all colored. I know I went in there and made it pretty complicated with all the different layers of color, but you don't have to make it that complicated, but I hope it inspires you to just give it a try so that you can add a little bit more realism to your sunflowers. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please